Alright, so this one's going to be on how to be able to download the VLC Media Player, and we're going to go ahead and install it on Windows 10. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and just type in video LAN, or you can type VLC on your web browser, and just go to the official website. It's under videolan.org /VLC, and then just go ahead and click on download VLC. Okay, then after that, it should take a couple seconds and it should go ahead and download. Okay, and then you would go ahead and save the file. Okay, so once we have downloaded, we can just go ahead and click on it. Okay, and the installation process is very simple. All we would do is click next, and then if you already have it installed like I do, you can actually add, remove, reinstall components, or you cannot install VLC. So I'm just going to go ahead and reinstall, and just go ahead and click on next. And then here we got the plugins. Just make sure you have these enabled, or if there's something you don't want to add, you can actually just click on something to deactivate. File types, as far as others, you can choose over here. I'm going to go ahead and unclick the ISO because it doesn't make sense, but you can actually use VLC as to be able to use it for ISOs, but I'm not going to do that, nor for RAR nor zip. Probably those will not be checked by default anyways, but you might want to check around, see if there's anything in there. If not, you can just go ahead and skip that. As far as for the audio files, everything should be included. If there's something in there that you might want to go ahead and check, but I think all of them are there by default. And for the videos, everything should also be checked. Okay, and then after that, we're going to go ahead and click on next. And that's it. That's the whole installation process. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and run it. Okay, and that's it. So now you have VLC. There's a ton of different things you can do as far as for the customization and whatnot. But basically the most important thing, of course, if you want to go ahead and use it to watch movies or play music or whatever, you can just go to media and then open file. They also have a command or keyboard shortcut, Control-O, so you can open that as well. There we go. And you can actually open multiple files as well. So you can just click on add and then search for something. So like, let's go to music. Okay, and then you can add something else. So I'm gonna add that. And then you can play it. And it'll go ahead and play both songs. Okay, if you want to go ahead and toggle the playlist, you can click on that and then it's going to go ahead and show it like that. But you can still see like the album art, I guess, or whatever for the songs. And if it's a video, you can actually see it in here as well. And you can actually like expand it if you want. So you can have it like that, and you can actually make this one bigger. So there we go. Now there's a ton of different stuff you can actually do. I'm not gonna go through all of it. I might make a video on that, but that's how you're able to start using VLC. So that's it for now. Bye.